Excuse me everybody, I'd just like to say something very quickly. I don't want to ruin what's going on today, and I think what our helicopter's done has been an amazing service for the last, I don't know how many years, but just to bring this up to light, I've got a dive boat at the moment out in Weymouth Bay with an injured diver on it. They've been requested a helicopter 40 minutes ago, and we still haven't had a helicopter. Okay, so I don't want to put them off on this today. I'd like to carry on. This is about saying thank you for the Coastguard helicopter what was here, but I think what is going on is disgraceful. Okay, not this, but what is sorry.
Ladies and gentlemen, but it's a huge privilege for me, the Majesty's Lord Lieutenant for Dorset, to be asked to come here and take part in this sad occasion. We know it's a sad occasion, but it's also very much a celebration of what people have done working out of the search and rescue area for the last 22 years. You know, greater love hath no man or woman. This is a really important job that people do all around the country, and particularly has been done here for the last 22 years. I don't know how many lives have been saved in that time, how many poor, sadly lost lives have been recovered for their loved ones, but it will be very many. I'm not going to make any political comment about what's happened here that's caused the closing down, because other people have to deal with those sort of things. What I'm really here to do is to appreciate what has happened, the people who've actually made it happen, some of which are here today, some of which aren't. As I said, greater love hath no man or woman than to lay down their lives for their friends, and the risks that people who do this job take are constant and ongoing. So this is Portland Stone, we are on Portland. This stone was laid down in the late Jurassic, about 150 million years ago, so it's been around for a bit. It's solid, and provided nobody moves it, it'll be a commemoration for the work that's been done here for at least 1,000 years, and who knows, an awful lot more. And if anyone tries to move it, I can rely, I think, on the people of Portland to sort that one out. Oh, yeah. Right, here we go. When everything goes wrong, under the flag, this. Here we are. In respect. I'm afraid that's it.
Let's have this film that Pete was wrong.
Carter!
Hey.
Nice to meet you, gentlemen.
Yeah, thanks very much.